In this video of carrier distribution function, I shall also tell you about fermions, bosons, what are they and what are their examples. You might have heard about Fermi-Dirac distribution function, but most of you would not be knowing that there are two more carrier distribution functions. So I shall tell you about them too. Hello comrades, in this video we shall be discussing about carrier distribution function. इसको probability density function भी कहते हैं. So what is it? It gives us the probability that particles will occupy the energy levels in a given system or not. For example, electrons को किसी energy level को occupy करने की कितनी probability है. But along with this, there are two other distribution functions which is known by very few people. So I shall talk about them too. The equation for each of the carrier distribution functions shall also be covered in this video. So without wasting any further time on introduction, let us move to our first probability distribution function. That is Fermi-Dirac distribution function. It is also known by the name of Fermi function. And it provides the probability of an energy level E being occupied by the particles that obey Fermi-Dirac distribution function. They have a special name called fermions. So in simple terms, Fermi-Dirac distribution function से हमें ये पता चलता है कि कितनी probability है एक energy state E के occupy होने की by some particle which obeys Fermi-Dirac distribution function. और इन particles को हम कहते हैं fermions. अब जब fermions का नाम आ ही गया discussion में तो थोड़ा importance इनको भी दे देते हैं. So fermions are half integer spin particles which obey the Pauli exclusion principle. इसके according, only one fermion can occupy a single quantum state. To explain it in simple terms, I shall use an analogy. See, when fermions are added to an energy band, then they will fill the available states in the energy band just like water fills a bucket. तो जैसे bucket में पानी नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ता है, वैसे ही states with lowest energy will be filled first और उसके बाद higher states fill होती हैं. Electrons and protons are the example of fermions. Now moving on to our second distribution function, Bose-Einstein distribution function. From the name of the distribution function, it would be obvious to you that it was discovered by Bose and Einstein. Just like the presence of fermions in the Fermi-Dirac distribution function, here we talk about bosons. If we talk comparatively, fermions half integer spin particle होते हैं और bosons integer spin particles. Bosons do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle और इसीलिए any number of bosons can occupy a single energy level. One thing I forgot to mention while discussing Fermi-Dirac distribution function, that is the equation or expression which will be given by FFD E is equal to 1 upon e to the power e minus ef by kt plus 1. मैंने प्लस साइन पे इतना एम्फेसिस इसलिए दिया है क्योंकि बोस-आइंस्टीन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन में इसका यूज़ करने वाला हूँ. हेयर k इज़ बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट जिसकी वैल्यू होती है 8.62 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर केल्विन एंड 1.38 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 23 जूल्स पर केल्विन. EF stands for the Fermi energy level and this FFD gives the probability of finding a fermion in an energy level E. Bose-Einstein distribution function का equation is given by FBE is equal to 1 upon e to the power e minus ef by kt minus 1. ये प्लस और माइनस साइन का ही डिफरेंस है Fermi-Dirac और Bose-Einstein डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन में. दिस माइनस साइन. बोसॉन्स के एग्जाम्पल आपने सुने तो होंगे लेकिन ये पता नहीं होगा कि वो बोसॉन्स हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बोसॉन्स आर फोटॉन्स, फोनॉन्स. नाउ विद दिस we are left with only one distribution function, that is Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function. It is also called classical distribution function and it is applicable to non-interacting particles, for example atoms in an ideal gas. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function का जो expression है वो बहुत ही simple है पिछले दो के comparison में. It is given by FMB E is equal to 1 upon e to the power e minus ef by kt प्लस और माइनस नथिंग, मतलब सिंपली 1 अपॉन एक्सपोनेंशियल का फॉर्मेट है। सो फर्मी डिरैक में +1 था, बोस-आइंस्टीन में -1 था और मैक्सवेल बोल्ट्जमैन में कोई भी टर्म प्लस या माइनस नहीं है। नाउ कंक्लूडिंग दिस डिस्कशन ऑफ ऑल द 3 डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शंस, I shall provide you with a graph of probability of occupancy versus energy of Fermi-Dirac, Bose-Einstein and Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function, and we shall assume Fermi energy level 0 here. Now I shall quickly draw the axis so that we could easily draw the graph here. ये जो x axis है वहाँ पे energy को show किया गया है which is in terms of units of electron volts, and the y axis which you can see on the screen, इस पे probability of occupancy को show किया गया है. This curve denotes the Fermi-Dirac distribution function. ये second curve Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function का है और ये third and last curve Bose-Einstein distribution function का है. These 3 curves on these 2 parameters which I have denoted as axes of the graph, this shall provide you a comparative analysis of the 3 distribution functions. This is all.